welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be telling you all how to make money as a teenager. So let's get into the video. Okay, so I've gone like really glam today. I don't know why. This video isn't really like too special. But I've got my rings on, I've got my rose quartz bracelet, I've got this bracelet from Lucy Little Bubble. Doing that. Got my earrings on for once, and I've got my AirPod in as well. And put some makeup on. I've actually tried brown eyeliner. But anyway, you don't want to know that. You want to know how to make money. So, first thing that you're going to want to do is ask your parents, carers or guardians for monthly or weekly pocket money for chores. So, obviously I know like some people won't get pocket money. Some people will get pocket money for doing nothing. Some people will get no pocket money for doing loads of chores. But if you are someone who's never really asked your whoever looks after you, or you never really had that discussion, just ask them, just be like, what would be like my weekly allowance, something like that. What would be my monthly allowance if I did this job or this job or this job. So yeah, I think that's a really good way to make money. Like, it's only a little amount of money, it's not like you're getting paid by the hour, but to start off with, I think that's really good. And that can be done at any age, like even if you're like 11, like easy peasy, just something quite quick. And if that doesn't work, then we've still got all these other ideas. So my next idea is to do small jobs for your neighbours or family friends. So you could do this for an hourly rate or like a day rate. So I've got some ideas. So you could mow the grass or garden, you could walk the dog, you could wash the car, you could clean the windows, you could house sit, you could pet sit, and or you could babysit. Well, it don't have to be a baby, it could just be a child. But you could literally do all these things. Say they're going on a holiday, you can just be like, maybe I could offer to water your plants while you're gone, feed the dogs, you know, that kind of stuff. This is just like, again, really easy. Like, maybe you don't have neighbours, which might make it a bit hard, but you could just like go to your like nearby town, village, whatever. You could just be like, knock on the doors, hey, do you have a dog that I could walk? Like, because like say people have dogs but they're like old, or maybe they don't like walking in the rain, like you still want them dogs to get walked. So you're still doing a good deed, but you're getting paid for it. So the next one is kind of like based on talent, but if you go at like beauty side of things, or you want to practice getting into makeup, hair, nails, what you could do is you could do people's makeup, hair or nails for like an event. So say it's like a school event like prom, you could even ask the teacher, like a teacher that runs it. You could just be like, could I do you could do the teacher's makeup, you could do the people's makeup, and it'll like promote it for yourself. Like, or you could just do it at home. You could do it for prom, discos, like just other events that you might want to like get your nails done, your makeup done, your hair done, like fancy events like that. Depending on like at high school we have one prom at the end of the year, that's it. But in some schools you have prom like every year. So yeah, I feel like that's a good idea. The next one would be pretty plain and simple, get a job. So this could be, I think the youngest you can be for a job, like an actual like paying job from like a company or something, is 14 or 16. So if you're not 14 or 16, you can still do like, you could work with your parents. So say your dad's or your mum's or something like that, they're a mechanic, or even just your family, say they're a mechanic, you could like work with them, handing them tools and stuff like that, for like minimum like 10 quid a week or 10 quid an hour, which I think that's pretty good. Or you could do something like hairdressing assistant, you could work in a coffee shop, you could be a waitress, you could retail, like working on a counter. What else could you do? You could work at a McDonald's, fast food. McDonald's is actually really good for working because they adjust with your school hours and stuff, which is actually really helpful. Okay, so the next one is you could sell your unwanted items on Depop, Vinted, eBay, Instagram, Facebook or Etsy. They're the main like selling points. You can do it on other apps like TikTok, but I feel like it might be harder to sell things on there. So say you've got a top that you don't really want, maybe it's like a good brand as well, like with Ryland, Topshop, whatever. Topshop's obviously not here anymore, so you could even sell it for like a good price and just put it on Depop or Vinted and basically just get some money. I feel like it's really easy. You could sell books, clothes, shoes, old makeup, random like football gear, just like whatever you want really. Okay, so what's the next one? Okay, this one is quite like a big one if you want to make like permanent money and you want to put a lot of time and effort into making the money, which is make your own small business or like get a small business. So you could literally make a small business about anything: crystals, lashes, cosmetics, toothbrushes, skincare, body wash. Like you could literally do anything. You could even do like custom made like bracelets, rings, earrings, bookmarks, like whatever you want. Or even what you could even do is, if you're a good artist, you could like do Christmas cards or like personalized birthday cards, Valentine's Day cards, wedding cards, like literally anything. But the only thing is you have to put a lot of money into that to get the money out of it. So if you're wanting a quick solution, then I don't recommend this one. But if you're someone who wants to get into a business, this is your sign to start your small business, because it will go well. I'm manifesting for you that it will go well. Okay, so the next one, which I've seen loads on TikTok lately, which is you can literally go online and look, there's like different websites and or apps, and you can literally make money doing like talking to people, like translating like translating languages, doing quizzes, teaching people. Like that's easy money, like literally easy money. There is an app that I remember and it's called Atapol, where you do quizzes. They're only like 29p for each quiz, but they're literally the easiest things ever. Just do a quiz, 29p. Do 10 quizzes, that's £2.90. Yeah, £2.90. So yeah, I really recommend that one. I feel like I should start doing that, because like, especially if you've got a lot of time on your hands, that would be really good. Or if you want to like get into like teaching, or if you're like bilingual or you're good at languages, that would be very good. The next one would also be the one that takes up a lot of time, which is being an influencer. So this could be Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, whatever you want. So you could just basically do what I do. So I don't make money yet. Obviously it's a very long process, but don't do it just for the money. Do it because you want to do it, but the good thing is you get money out of it when you put the hard work in. So spend time doing videos, being creative, taking pictures. Maybe you want to work on photography, you could take some really nice pictures, make an Instagram page for it. You could even just make an Instagram page for like outfits that you like, or you could do an astrology page. Like astrology pages get a lot of followers. I don't know how you make money on Instagram, but I know you can make money on Instagram. But TikTok is the easiest way to be an influencer. All you have to do is post one video, add loads of hashtags, get people to share it, watch it, boom, it blows up. You get more followers, more videos blow up, boom, 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 boom. I think you have to be 18 though to get your video blown up on TikTok. But YouTube, you can be any age, but you need your parents to like sign the thing. I'm pretty sure. I've never actually done it because I'm not monetized yet. But yeah, how many reasons is that? So tips even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've just given you 8 ways to make money as a teenager. I think that's pretty good. And yeah, so hopefully you find this video helpful, and I hope you get one of these little tips or ways and you go out and you make some money. Because as teenagers it's really hard, like we're always busy, like you want to spend time with your friends but you also want to work on your grades and your revision and your homework and school. Like there's literally no time in the day. Like that sounds dramatic because like obviously there's people that work 12 hours a day, but it's stressful. And maybe you want a bit of money to just make some money for clothes, or if you're like 18 and you're like you have to pay board, then obviously you're going to need some money to do that. Or maybe you just want to treat yourself to something really expensive that your parents will never buy you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!